other side.
So funny if we had one of these lawn sculptures for
I know. It's
yard,
for sale. That's
for a patio.
These are for sale?
Yeah, it said.
I don't know. There was a for sale sign on the first one. It's kind of silly.
How are you
so
gonna carry it? Like
I
two?
don't-
Yeah. This
It's
must
too
be
much.
heavy.
Night market in
Oh, this is like the
Vancouver.
chest
Oh,
thing. The pond.
Richmond,
The rock
Richmond,
and,
Night.
British Columbia.
I guess they don't have a dinosaur this year.
Wow, looks
Yeah,
like there's a.
The decor here is a little confusing.
Ooh,
There's
So
a
organized.
There's a duck in Taiwan.
Look,
Yeah.
the Chinese, they're so good at like just organizing like large scale things. This fucking Tesla can't park to save their lives. Average Tesla driver.
Seniors over 60 plus with photo ID present.
happiest celebration on earth. Richmond Night Market. Wow. This will be our first time to visit here. Look at that. Looks like it's gonna be a nice market. It looks like that's the
entrance.
start. This is a huge place.
The rubber that way.
But this. Yeah. Look at the people. The biggest night market here in Canada. Wow.
Everything has off today.
This is like a CNE.
Yeah, big CNE.
Big CNE.
Outside.
Night market.
Keep your wares to yourself.
Let's go around first and see.
Bro, you know those things? I bet you
Hasn't. Where are they? Oh. There's more on the other side. That one looks good. Volcano Bob.
Okay.
Which one do you want? Oh, I know you want this one.
I think I'm gonna grab some chow mein over here.
Flying cup.
Yeah, I'm thinking to get the big one. Wow.
This is not real.
Of course. You touch it. It's real now. Mom think it's real.
Were you expecting the night market to be like this?
Okay, whatever. Richmond Night Market,
Yes.
City of Life.
There's more on the other side. Let's see. Then we'll decide which one to eat. Oh wow, look at this.
Naloko tayo dito. Dapat wala na silang entrance.
I know. Very weird.
I think let's just save it anyways. If we move credit cards somewhere, I'll use credit cards.
아, 근데 이게 같이 없네? Are you in the line? No, we're not.
I don't think they're in the line.
I only asked for one.
Okay. Okay, let's decide.
Now it's decide now.
Kabayan! Mamaya na lang, mamaya na lang.
He's appealing to the...
Mamaya na lang, mamaya na lang.
Simply purchase your Zoom pass at the entrance tent when you arrive and zoom right in.
Yeah, doon kayo.
Okay, what do you want?
Okay. This is the biggest night market here in Richmond, Canada. Oh, British Columbia. Look at that.
Where is it?
Today, all you gotta do is get one roof up to one bucket.
What a lovely celebration! I'm really
Let's see.
Alright, so the gun shoots automatically, but you're going to be aiming for the center of the clown's mouth. That's going to make it blow up, and whoever pops the balloon first is the winner. They get to choose the prize. Alright, everybody ready? Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Alright, number 3 takes the lead. Oh, number 5 is already popped. Alright, number 5. Number 5 was first.
He won.
Large prize. What would you like?
많이 내어내서.
Oh,